Stop buying 60% keyboards and get this one instead. Well, this is Aedas and their NJ87 Pro mechanical keyboard. Inside the box, you get the user manual, a USB Type-C cable, the dongle, a keycap and switch puller, some extra keycaps, and the keyboard itself. This keyboard can be used via USB, Bluetooth, or with its 2.4 GHz dongle, along with having a full aluminum base and being fully hot swappable with fully controllable RGB and a gasket-mounted base. It's a 80% layout keyboard with 17 hours of battery life. Now for the sound test. The link is in my bio.